Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your SØREN hair regrowth subscription. Okay, so by mistake if you have taken any subscription, how you can cancel it. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website SØRENhair.com or SØRENhair.co. You need to identify the website where you have originally purchased. Okay, because there are so many websites available on internet, so you need to identify where you have originally purchased. Okay, so once you are on the official website, you will see this kind of window on the official website. You need to scroll down at the very bottom side. There is a option manage subscription option. You can see like this kind of manage membership option, and once you tap on this button, it will redirect you on this screen. On this screen you need to click on my orders and subscription, and you need to enter your email ID, like what's your email ID, or you can provide your phone number. You need to click on submit, and once you click on submit, they will send you a code. You need to enter the code, 6-digit or 5-digit code, and once you enter your code, you can log in into your account and you can manage your subscription by visiting on subscription page. Okay, and if this method will not work, if you are not able to this task, then this is the last option. You can cancel your credit card, because in today's time these kind of brands are making difficulty for cancellation of subscription. The last option they have left, like you need to contact your credit card provider, you need to cancel your credit card and you need to get a new one. Once you get new credit card, your all unwanted and all fake subscription will end it automatically. And this is the last option, because in today's time there are so many brands, they are making subscription cancellation very difficult. Okay, so if you are facing same issue, then you can make a comment. Your comment is a real, you can select experience for other people also. So if you have cancelled your subscription successfully, please mention in our comment section. Your comment is a real, you can select experience. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If this video will helpful, please hit a like button. Okay, so bye bye, take care.